Hey soaps, my name is Katie Carson, and today I'm going to attempt to make resin geode coasters. I have worked with resin one other time on this channel where I made some resin mermaid tails. It was my first time. I definitely learned a lot. And because this month we are doing a nature collection, I thought, wouldn't it be fun for me to attempt something occurring in nature with resin? A geode, a crystal, if you will. I really want to make like an amethyst theme. I have only watched 2 videos, basically because I really want to try out some techniques that I've been mulling over in my head. Maybe they won't work, maybe they will, but I felt like if I consumed too many resin videos, I would have like a really good advantage, where I want this video to be more me experimenting with the medium of resin again, getting my paws in it, having a lot of fun. So that's what we're doing today. This is by no means a tutorial. I do not know what I'm doing. I'm not a resin expert. You can go check out these 2 channels if you want to learn things about resin, okay? These people know what they're doing. I do not. Hey, and guess what? Surprise! My mom is gonna join me. And I have also decided, I thought at first we would try to make the most accurate looking geode that we could.
Okay.
But upon seeing all the glitter options, I'm like, perhaps
I mean,
we make it up.
Whatever. It's like coming up with your own butterfly.
That's right. Just make it up. I would also just like to say a quick thank you to Fizz Fairy. She sent me a lovely care package with tons of beautiful glitters and lovely micas. I have used her glitters in the past and also her micas as well. She is great, and she's a Canadian supplier. I have a lot of Canadian Royal Court members. So if you're looking for a Canadian supplier, you want to save on shipping, fizzfairy.ca is your gal. Oh, so you have picked out many things, I see.
Yes, I'm leaning toward pastels, and even I might, if it turns out pretty good, I could gift it to Greta.
Yes!
My mother who loves the pastel colors and loves the pastel soaps that we make.
Then I think I shall go in the opposite direction of you. I'm gonna go dark, moody mermaid over here.
Okay, well Fizz Fairy has set us up with so many good selections for both of those leanings, like all kinds of great dark, mermaidy, sea foamy colors.
I beg your pardon. Look at this blend.
Amazing. Amazing. It's amazing. And I mean, come on. Look at these. I mean, I hope you can see. Look at that. Amazing. So, but the mica is really the better. Like, it's going to give the color, and then these going to give the shimmer. But
yeah,
will they show through some of the darker?
I think so.
And can you put?
Sure,
it's gonna look great. Can we put as much as we want, or is it gonna like overflow and make the resin not work? So you know nothing.
Unknown.
You don't know what you're doing.
No.
This is an experiment.
That's right.
Extraordinaire. Well, I almost want to just do, only, I almost only want to do glitter.
I mean, you could.
I don't know why you couldn't. If you don't know what you're doing, then why can't you do whatever you want?
That's a quote for the agents right there. If you don't know what you're doing, just do whatever you want.
Then you can do whatever you want. There's no rules when you don't know what you're doing. You could easily make a single colored one too, like shades or something for Shamrock time, St. Patrick's Day, whatever. Look, these are so cute. What are those?
These are just the dyes. So you can also just, if you don't want sparkle in it, just alternatively dye with the color.
Can you swirl those?
I believe so, yes. So I have the lighter gloves. This one is mine. Mother has the darker gloves. This one is hers. I've got my first little batch going here, so I'm just going to mix this up. Make sure it is all completely emulsified, lest it not turn out correctly.
And then are you gonna put all your goodies in the cup, or are you gonna sprinkle them all around in the mold?
I think I'll pour this first bit and then sprinkle in the mold. I don't know if that's a good idea, but that's what I'm gonna try.
So I guess you didn't read any instructions or anything.
No!
Oh my.
I wonder how long you're supposed to mix. Maybe they have a...
You don't even know how long to mix it?
Mix well, is all it says. That's
Well,
very
that
vague
seems well.
indeed.
Well enough. I mean, they're both clear. How are you supposed
Good
to know?
enough for me.
That's a really low standard.
Yes.
Okay.
Indeed. All right. Let's try pouring all of this in. And then maybe not all of it. Maybe like that much. And then maybe what I'll do is I'll color it with some purple. Ooh, I wonder how potent that is. I have no idea.
Oh, it looks like it's kind of light.
It's kind of weak. Well, light.
Yeah,
Sure, that's a nice word.
light purple.
That's
Okay,
right.
so is this a special colorant, or you can use any colorant?
Well,
What do you
I mean,
use?
colorant approved for resin. Mica is approved, well, some of them are approved for resins. I know, it's very specific.
If you're not eating it or using it on your body, does it really matter? I mean, who cares? Or will it not set
No
up?
comment.
It
I have no idea.
It maybe won't set up. You
Maybe.
know? Sure, there's all the resin makers out there going, you
What?
Ginny berries.
Yes.
You don't know what you're doing.
You have no idea
Oh,
what
that's
you're doing.
cool.
Let's add some more. Let's add some Fizz Fairy Purple Rain. How much is too much? We
Let's
don't know.
Give it a twirl. Okay,
Oh,
but
that's looking a lot. That's
I
looking a
don't
lot
think
to me.
oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, you know so much better than I do.
Well, educated
there
guesses.
is there is all that experience and whatnot.
Let's put some dark stuff around the edge. Let it bleed. Look, ta-da! As you can see, your daughter is a skilled geode maker.
And I guess if you have lots of colors you want to use, you better be careful not to overfill. You're getting kind of tall there.
Shh. Just let it happen.
Let the magic happen. Put some glitter in that same pot, maybe. Or should you put glitter directly on it?
I have no idea.
You keep saying that.
I mean, it's true every time. Maybe I should sprinky it. What if I just... Oh, that was a bad
You
idea.
almost
A bad
ruined
idea.
it. Aren't they
Ooh.
cute? They're so tiny. I wonder if those are
I feel like we're very impressed with something that's not going to look that good. We're like, yes, look at us. We turn it over, it looks like a kid.
Hey, we weren't really complimenting ourselves. We were complimenting the beauty of the geode.
Indeed. Good show. All right, let's mix up more.
Use some blue, maybe.
Yeah, blue.
You shushed me, but I told you.
Okay.
Again, the resin experts out there are laughing, I'm sure. Or they're going, you're exactly right. See, it's okay. Do whatever you want.
I'm liking. Let's add in some peacock eco glitter.
This is so pretty.
Maybe I'll do, like, this will be the second and then I'll do one more.
Yeah.
So let's put in a layer of this.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
I feel like I
Yes.
should have been a little more precise.
Why? Why?
I feel like...
Yes? You're going on feelings here, I can see.
Yes.
What's your feeling again?
I feel like... I'm right.
I like you saying, I feel like.
You're messing me up. I'm laughing. I ought to have shake hands anyway, woman. You know this about me. Let us...
You want something?
I guess someone gets a snack. Would you like a bite? That is too much.
Oh, that's enough.
Oh my gosh. Okay, one more time. Let's see if this... I'm gonna try to be...
I guess you can also mix it, like if you want to take a fork or something and swirl it around, because you're not going to be able to see that from the other side is my guess. It's only going to be sitting on the top. You think it'll settle down so you can see it from the other side, or are you just being ornery?
Ornery.
Oh.
I could take a toothpick.
See, that's what I said. I said fork, but toothpick, same thing. Just one tine at a time. Oh, it looks really pretty. It looks like a real rock.
Oh, good. Excellent. Your turn.
Oh boy.
You're gonna make it all pastel, like no clear in it. It's all gonna be...
Well, originally that's what I was thinking, is making the base an actual color, like maybe the white. But I'm afraid that the sparkles won't show through. What if you only use the flakes and the glitter?
Yeah.
Only glitter and no mica, and maybe we just use that clear like you did. I can see how this would be like a painting. You never feel done. You keep adding.
I'm sure.
And then you ruin it because you did too much.
You're like,
okay, how about if I use this
yeah.
peachy pink echo glitter from Fizz Fairy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
I love it. Look, it sparkles.
Yes.
Okay, that'll be our base. I don't think we need to. I really think you could just do layers and layers of sparkles. I don't know why. I don't know why you couldn't. Beautiful. Let's see. The next one, let's use Pearl Bio Glitter.
Yeah. This is going along splendidly. I'm quite surprised.
Well, as I said, when there are no rules and you don't know what you're doing, then how can you go wrong?
Oh, yes.
So now we have a nice light colored base. So I think, you know, whatever you put on.
Whatever you put on.
Yeah, whatever I put on, that's what I meant. Then it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
Oh man, look at the chunkiness of that glitter.
Oh boy.
Yes. Yes. Oh.
That's some beautiful glitter. It looks more like reddy pink than I thought it would, which I really like.
You have like a rose gold aesthetic.
It kind of has some blue in it too. I guess because it's what, hollow, and that what that is.
Yes,
essentially.
madam.
She knows. I know it. I've learned.
Rainbows. It has rainbows in it.
I love it.
After it hardens a little bit.
Oh. Oh.
Madam.
Sorry. Excuse me. No bleed overs. Okay, let's put one more coat on the top.
Okay.
So, and there's a little bit of glitter left over, which is kind of nice.
Yes.
So, let's see what happens here.
Oh, I think that's gonna make it. I think that's gonna pull it all together. Just to put that little bit on top, it's gonna disperse what needs to be dispersed and leave alone what needs to be left alone.
Yeah, I mean, it almost looks like a flower.
Yes. I wonder how it'll settle, because like mine changed as it's been sitting.
It sure did. Now you put rings, which I think is a really good idea, because now that we can see what's happening afterwards, it looks like the rings really did you good. Where
how a geode looks, they always look kind of veiny.
Yeah. Well, for some reason, I'm feeling the flower vibe sort of, because it is kind of a flowery shape.
Yeah, I'm here for it.
But dropping the chunkier glitter in there in different spots kind of dispersed it a little bit.
It looks good.
I like it.
Now we must let them sit for a very long time.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So like 24 hours or 12?
Yes, at least 24 probably. So we'll have to come back in the morning.
All right, we'll do it.
All right. Hi guys, we're back. It's like 48 hours later, and as you can see, we have dressed up in our finest to bring to you the unveiling of these beautiful Resin Geode coasters. Now, one thing we've noticed, it doesn't look the same as when we poured it. I think the colors migrate, which of course we wouldn't know because we didn't research.
We did zero research.
None.
But hey, you know, they still look really pretty, I think. And, you know, I feel like people who want to just give it a go, you know, you'll turn out with something hard.
That's right. It might be ugly as sin, but we don't have to talk about that. I will also say, I have not looked at anything. I didn't even flip it over to look at the bottom, which is more than I can say for my mother.
I did not flip it over. I did check it the very next day. I happened to be in here, you know, handily, and I just wanted to see if it was hard. And in a very short amount of time, like, you know, 12 hours, it was hard enough to begin to unmold it, but that's all I did. I didn't unmold the whole thing.
All right, fine, you're forgiven.
Just peeked.
So should I unmold mine first?
Sure, yeah. Yours looks like definitely more like a geode, a true geode. Let's see what you got. Oh, look, you can see the rings. That's so beautiful.
Yes. Look at it.
It's really cool.
Oh, I love it. I'm thrilled. Look at the color fracturing on there.
It's beautiful.
Up close and personal with the geode.
Flip it back over. So the top is this.
I actually like both.
I do. I like both.
It's funny.
The other side, you can see in the purple a lot of little veining.
Yeah, this actually looks more like a geode to me. But this is just pretty. Okay, you're done.
All right, let's see here. Yes, see, so hard. Oh, yes.
The hollow. There's so much glitter.
Just like I like it.
It looks like a glitter donut.
You know, it reminds me of like some constellation or some kind of celestial body of explosion and all the colors and stuff that you see on some of the I was gonna say in some of the images from space.
So basically what we're saying is we're thrilled to death.
Thrilled to death.
For having never done it, I don't think we could have hoped for better.
It did not turn out the way that I thought they would.
No.
I'm not disappointed.
I'm not even mad.
Yours is a little bendy.
Yeah.
I think
yours is not as bendy. I wonder if I didn't mix mine good enough.
I don't know. I feel like you could do a lot of things with this, though, craft-wise.
Oh, yeah.
Hang it from your rearview mirror.
That's a little gaudy.
It's kind of big. Earrings? Hey!
Well, thank y'all very much for tuning in today and watching us over here at Royalty Soaps experiment with a new medium of art. Again, if you want to actually learn something about resin, I will leave some amazing resin crafters channels down in the description box because those people know what they're doing. However, this was super fun. Thank you for joining me. Oh, yes.
Anything with you is fun.
Oh, shucks. So if you would like to see more videos like this one, you can give us a subscribe, maybe like this video. You can follow us over on TikTok and Instagram for more wholesome, clean goodness. Be sure you have an absolutely royal day, and until next time, bye for now.